Hello, guys, and welcome back to the Crypto County, the most realistic Bitcoin analysis channel on YouTube. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe, tick the bell icon, and select all. Now, today I'm just going to make a quick video to show you guys a potential pump that is looming for Bitcoin within the next 24 hours. Now, this is just for a juicy long trade because I think there's going to be a lot of volatility to the upside. And for those who are currently in a short position, you might want to hedge your shorts or, maybe close your positions because I think we are going to be heading to the upside very soon. So, first of all, I just wanted to show you guys what we have here right now. You can see these triangles on the chart. So this pattern right here is called a bullish shock, all right? And we what we want to see is price declining all the way down to the 38,180. All right. So that right there is the PRZ of this bullish shock. So what we should expect if the price gets to that point is some kind of reaction, and then you see the bulls stepping in and then pushing the price, ultimately breaking this neckline right here of this inverted head and shoulders. So what happens is that the price declines to that point, and then this whole structure right here becomes an inverted head and shoulder, right? Becomes an inverted head and shoulder, and then you see a pump out of the neckline. So this is what I'm expecting to happen for Bitcoin in within the next 24 hours. And then if we get this kind of reaction, this kind of bullish reaction from here, ultimately what we should be expecting is a price target of nothing less than um, 43,100 within the next couple of days. All right. And then ultimately, if we can make it past the 43,000 to, or sorry, the 42,400, which is this wide vertical resistance right here, and flip this to become support, you know, maybe consolidate right here within a couple of days, I should expect the price of Bitcoin to then head on to my real target, which is going to be around the 44,100 ish. All right, so this is where I expect this swing trade to end, and this is where I'm going to be collecting all my profits from this trade because I think this would be a good point to put in a short trade and ride it all the way down to maybe close 30K or whatever. But I think this would be a good point to put in a short based on the analysis that I'm going to make also if we do make it to this point. All right, so let's not get ahead of ourselves. First of all, let the price of Bitcoin decline to the 38,180, and then let's see some bullish momentum come in with some huge volatility to the upside. And then if we can make it past the neckline of this inverted head and shoulder, then we can start looking at the 42,456. Use that as support, and then we're heading down to my primary target, which is going to be the 44,100. And then this is where I'm going to go in a huge short trade. So, all right, guys, this is just the update for today. Just wanted to bring this quick video out for you guys. Currently I'm in a short, but I'll be hedging my short position once we get to this 38 180 because I think it's going to be a very, very good long trade with huge volatility. So that's all for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, tick the like button, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.